Number. Who do you think is our second runner-up, everybody? Can I hear some numbers?
55.
Our Mr. International Philippines Bicol second runner-up. It's you. Candidate number 13, Sir Mark J. Apinado of Legazpi City. We would like to request the Regional Director of Mr. International Philippines Bicol, Mr. Espiritu. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. International Philippines Bicol second runner-up, Mr. Mark J. Apinado of Legazpi City. One crown down, 4 more to go.
Let's now award Mr. International Philippines Bicol first runner-up. To award, let us request Ma'am Julia Soren.
One of our judges, Miss Julia Soren, please join.
Our first runner-up. And it's you! Candidate number 21. Candidate number 21 is Mark Arvin Esteves of Sorsogon.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. International Philippines Bicol first runner-up is candidate number 21 from Sorsogon, Mark Arvin Esteves. Please clap your hands, everybody. Alright, 2 crowns down and 3 more to go. And the 3 crowns are the most coveted crowns tonight. Bicol Charity. Alright. Our Mr. International Philippines Bicol Charity and will also be awarded, ito, bago natin i-announce na, it's you, candidate number! It's candidate number 10, Limar Alburo from Tiwi Albay. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. International Philippines Bicol Charity, again, is candidate number 10, Limar Alburo from Tiwi Albay. Let us give a round of applause for our next king tonight. And also, another award, candidate number 10, Mr. Limar Alburo. Now our Mr. International Philippines Bicol Charity is also Mr. Young Skin Aesthetic 2025. Palakpakan naman po natin. That's our Mr. International Philippines Bicol Charity. Again, Mr. Limar Alburo of Tiwi Albay. Mr. John Mark Musni of Sorsogon Province. We have, of course, our award coming from Colossal Gym. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Reese Maravillas and Mr. Romel Espiritu, our regional director. Alright. Hold my eyes. Yes. Alright, so for the next one, before we announce the actual crown tonight, we would like to request all the members of our judges, please come and join us. National Philippines Bicol. And of course, that will be awarded again by Mr. Reese Maravillas. We have Mr. Romel Espiritu. Mr. International Philippines Bicol 2025. It's you, candidate number our new Mr. International Philippines Bicol 2025 is no other than candidate number 16, Jonathan Pagkawa! Ladies and gentlemen, we have our winner for Bicol Region! Once again, everybody, our Mr. International International Philippines Bicol will be competing on our national pageant, Mr. International Philippines 2025. Let's give our winners an astounding round of applause! Congratulations to all the winners! That was a really exciting point of our program, announcing our top winner. Grabe! Imagine, partner, the excitement, the thrill, really announcing a surprising set of winners tonight.
The pride, the honor, congratulations.
And you know what? I would always say that our winners are always deserving. So again, everybody, let us give a round of applause to our kings of Mr. International Philippines Bicol 2025!